Alrighty. Alright.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Mark a drop point for your squad and hit the sill. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Not good, man, not good. This is not good. We must win. Yeah, you should have not landed there. You guys should have not landed there. Because like there's like 20 people. I see you. Got him. Get out.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
You gotta embrace the feeling of Warzone. Be the warrior you are. You get in Warzone and be good.
Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile UAV in the area.
I'm hit.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Target down, marking the rest of them.
Located self-revive. Waypoint marked.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. We've got 10 squads active in the field. There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all. Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy UAV overhead.
LDBR awaiting targeting data.
Enemy UAV is online. Bounty contact. Hostile UAV in the area. Target of opportunity acquired. Weapons free. EKIA. Way to step up when we needed you. Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp. Objective is lost. Gotta be quicker than that. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. Enemy sentry is active. Your squad's in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Target's gone. Stolen out from under you. Additional contract online. Lost your chance on that one. Target's down. Clear another target during contract timeline.
Marking cash.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Mission's over. Returning to normal operations.
Coordinates marked.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
target location.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is moving. Additional target added while time remains. Enemy UAV overhead.
Located self-revive.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Yes. Let's do it. Do it.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. 5 squads still operational in the AO. All bounty targets are KIA. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy's got a sentry online.
He can't come back.
Nah, I see AV maps fuck right now.
Yeah.
Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is
Shocked an
inbound.
enemy. He's here. Or somewhere. Or maybe in the last building. That means back. Yeah, back over there. Yep, they're in the house behind us.
Alright, so wait. No. Alright.
They're gonna have to come up here, huh?
Yeah.
Arming spring mine.
I got him with RPG. You're fucked. One's standing there.
Incoming shot.
Careful with that. They're mad that I just killed us on me. You gotta get down there. That's
Target
fucked
location.
up.
It's down to 10. Win this thing. Enemy soldier incoming.
Downstairs.
That one went off.
Get to the safe zone.
Fuck, I'm out of
Gas
armor.
is moving. Enemy UAV.
Got him. He's pretty broken. Yup.
Go, go, go.
You see I got stuck in the fucking window?
No more second chance.
Let's finish this.
Fucking legs! No!
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
God damn it!
Your squad's in the top 5. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot.
What's more than that to finish this?
The screen fucking froze.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, I know that. We're gonna get shot out of the air. Land quickly, land on the ground. Oh my god, oh fuck. Oh shit.
Get all this shit. They might just win this now. Get stocked up. Get stocked up. On top. Yep, on top. Roof.
Just gotta come over here. think he's on top of the hill.
Oh, right here. I'm dead. Oh, fuck. I think
Good work.
They didn't expect that.
Fuck, no, they didn't. Good shit.
Like minute, fucking last minute, you know? I literally jumped from that house, I shot the dude, I downed him, then I saw he died, and then I fucking jumped from the window, I got stuck, but then I like literally jumped, almost died, but I landed on like by the rocks, by the stairs, you know what I'm talking about? And I was like, oh shit, I don't think anyone saw me. Or they would have killed me, you know?
There was a guy after you that fucking killed him, and then there was another guy I was shooting at, and I got stuck.